Got a right, mate. What the fuck are you doing? You're an absolute dickhead. You have no right away.
That's what I was saying to Lily that you told your dad.
Yeah, I think you told me, didn't you?
Yeah, because she's not going to karate, so we're at snowstorm in Trafford, so she went back till late. We're out of a train. I don't know what he'll do this year, because it's a third one.
Yeah.
And then he likes all the laser lights.
Yeah.
And he likes to eat all the crap.
Fucking... What the fuck? Someone stops at green light. Fucking clown. Someone stops at the green light.
Don't you?
And it brings up fucking shit about the different designs. It's just a matter of finding one what fits. There's some of them adapters I just sent you, like 130 quid.
Fucking bell end.
I know, fucking ridiculous. I mean, I'm looking at another one here. An RCA one. Ground light noise, like 99 quid.
What the fuck you doing?
Do you know what, my dad occasionally used to come and visit me and my brother.
What the fuck?
I can't pass on Stockton. Nothing like my long come home. I was wrong, baby. I was blinded. Blowing up your phone. What you want? What you got? Baby, girl, I'm solid. You leave me alone. I'd rather you do that than me outside. I ain't trying to trouble, but I'm wrong. So what's going on? Just be honest. What's the mood? I go silence. You got another than it's honest. Like, yo. Only for 1 hour. I wanna be with
Oh, dickhead.
money up, okay, you match my vibe. I wanna be with you. Only for 1 hour.
Oh, man.
I wanna be with you. Money up.
I don't know.
How's things for you anyway?
So, mate. Come on, wake up. Fucking bell end. He looked like he was asleep then. Fucking... The fuck? It was either that or he was on his phone. We've just seen some afro head just lift up. Slow down, move up. Come out with a stupid question and knock it on someone's house like that.
It was a bit fucking hot, that.
Oh shit. It's
Proper
like,
hot.
man, what the fuck? Fuck off. Jesus Christ.
Gate Lane. In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Plodder Lane, B6199.
Her large discography as well, jungle, garage, all sorts. Yeah. When you go out and you hear your tunes playing, do you get that kind of surreal? Her large discography as well, jungle, garage, all sorts. Yeah. When you go out and you hear your tunes playing, do you get that kind of surreal?
What the fuck?
There's pen black girls in my area code. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pussy cries for king. Liver jacket, me and Billie Jean. MJ liver jacket, cause I think I'm bad.
It's gonna come off. Oh, it's gonna hit the bus.